Mission. Pateros Technological College commits itself to provide quality higher education through specialized professional instruction, provide training in scientific, technological, industrial, and vocational fields, enhance moral and spiritual values, instill the love of country and appreciation of the Filipino cultural heritage, promote environmental awareness and unconditional love for Mother Earth. After educational opportunities, especially to mar- marginalized individuals, heighten students' creativity and leaderships through extra and co-curricular activities, and produce quality graduation adept with technological skills and professional education. Pateros Technological College envision itself as an institutional higher learning which is strongly committed to the holistic development of the students to improve their lives in particular and the society in general. Responsibility, creativity, integrity, commitment, compassion, excellence, environmental concern,